Hey everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Wise app account on mobile application. So now without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch Wise mobile application. Now, simply tap on the option of Get Started at the bottom of your screen. Now, you'll come across this page. If you already have an account, you can simply tap on Login or Sign in with Apple. But for now, we're simply going to tap on Register in order to create our account. Now, you have to start by entering your email address. Now, let me enter my email address here. After entering your email address, simply tap on the option of Continue at the bottom of your screen. Now, let's wait for some time until the application is loading. With that, you'll come across this page where you'll see two of these options. If you want to create a personal account so that you can spend, send, and receive money from around the world, or you can even create a business account to do business or freelance work internationally. I'm going to select personal account. Now over here, select a country or region and tap on Next. Now over here, simply enter your mobile number and at last tap on Send Code. Now you will be receiving a verification code on your mobile number, so don't forget to check that. Now the code is automatically entered here in my case. Now I have to create a password for my account before moving further. After you have entered a strong password of 9 characters, simply tap on the option of Done at the bottom. Now, you may have to wait for some time until your account is being created. You can also turn on notifications if you want to receive various notifications from the app. Now, if you wish to, you can also set a passcode, but this step is optional. So, if you wish to, you can set a passcode or just go back and use your account accordingly. Now you can see that you are directed to your Wise app account. Now you can use this application accordingly. So, by following these steps, you will easily be able to create your Wise app account on mobile application. So this is it for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more upcoming videos.